it's Miss Bailey here at Bailey Preschool. Today we're going to do a shape activity. It's a 2D shape activity, meaning that we're working with the square, the triangle, the circle, the flat shapes, okay? And usually I see teachers use Play-Doh for this activity, but today we're going to use this funny, easy quick sand that you can buy that doesn't make a mess, doesn't pour all over the couch, just it goes in pieces, and I just like it better. So if you don't have any of these fancy Play-Doh tools, guess what? You don't need them. You don't have to have them. I find the popsicle stick, after you eat your popsicle, just save these, wash them. Or the plastic knife. Make sure you get permission to use a plastic knife, but you probably have some of these around your house. Don't use the real knife, okay? Don't go in your parents' kitchen cabinets and get the real knives. Use the plastic one. And if you don't have a popsicle stick and you don't have a plastic knife, guess what? You can use just a piece of paper. You could just fold it and make it like sharp and a sharp edge, and you can use a piece of paper. I'm gonna show you. All right, so be patient. I'm gonna show you on this paper here. So, you remember this sheet here that I showed you before where we matched up the shapes and I put it in this pocket protector? This pocket protector is also good for putting Play-Doh or sand right on top. You use it again, so there's so many uses for this. So, I will lay it flat down on the table. There you go. So, we have our shapes here, and so if I want, I'll just take, see, I have a bunch of my sand here right in a scooper, and I will take some of the sand and put it right on the shape, right? And I can just take my little popsicle stick and go around it, and see, I have to be so detailed to do that, so that's helping your hand and your eye coordination, because I have to use decision making and thinking. I have to figure out where the lines are and push this sand in to make a perfect circle. That's with the popsicle stick. Or I could use this paper and use it to flatten it, or use it to go around it and make a perfect circle. No jokes out there. Or I could use this plastic knife. Look, you see my beautiful circle? And I like it better because if I were using Play-Doh, I've got to flatten it out. It's gonna take longer, and sometimes, especially if you're in school, you don't have that long to do that. So that's why I like the sand better. So that's my circle. Can you see it? And then look, here's the square. I just take some. I don't need a lot. Put it around. I take my plastic knife. Look at that. You see how I get to cut it? It'd be so precise. I mean, if you could get this so precise, maybe you could grow up to be a surgeon or something if you've learned how to flatten this out and put your shapes in there. Look how beautiful they look. Almost like little cookies. You could eat them. Don't eat them. Don't eat this sand, okay? I said it looks like you could eat it. Do not eat this sand. Okay, look, more. And you see, look, show your parents this, that they should buy you this, because look, and I'm not selling it, so I'm just telling you how well this works. You see how I just scoop that up? No mess. It's not going to be in the carpet. You're not going to get in trouble for making a mess with this. Look, here's the rectangle. So I just take some, put it in the rectangle. Look, I take my piece of paper. Maybe I don't have the knife at home. I just cut it right with the piece of paper. You can't cut the Play-Doh with a piece of paper, so you can see that this is beautiful. Wait, I'm messing up my circle. Gotta be careful here. Isn't that beautiful? And by the time you're done, like, you'll have all these beautiful little shapes. You could take a picture of it. Like, you could do so much. You could, like, go to your dramatic play area at your house, your little kitchen at your house, and you could pretend that you made some cookies with these. But you will have perfect shapes with this sand. And you get to do this. And parents, this will keep your little one so busy if you give them some tools. I mean, imagine if you bought some of these fancy tools for them. They will just stay really busy with this, making their shapes. So this is a great activity. Don't let anyone tell you that this is just playing and nonsense. This is a great learning activity. And when you guys spend time with this, you little kiddos, you spend time with this, it's gonna, like, you'll remember the shapes. You'll remember, okay, I remember that a triangle has 3 sides. I remember cutting that with my little knife. See, and I made perfect little triangles and perfect little circles and perfect little squares and perfect 2 short sides, 2 long sides rectangles. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that shape activity. You see how beautiful it is? So neat. I love it. I love it. All right, make some, do some. Tell your parents to get this and do this activity at home, okay? And come back and play with us again. Look at the other videos. There's lots of preschool stuff going on. Bye.